and welcome to Vehicle Nomads.
Alright, good morning people. From Alex and Calvin with Vehicle Nomads. It's a good day, it's a good morning. Very exciting morning, right?
Yeah.
Oof. You guys are gonna be in for a treat. We could barely sleep last night.
Like 2 hours, 3 hours of sleep?
Yeah, like 2-3 hours of sleep. We were just prepping up the shop, getting everything ready for the new baby to come in. Man over there cranking it hard. Alex right here is just trying to get the tow in. Right now there's so many cars on the street, kind of decently sized street, but we got to try and back this thing up into this man's driveway. Yeah, that's pretty good.
You're good. Keep cranking it. Crank it really.
Honestly, you might be good if you use that hill.
That's a hell of a job backing this trailer up. Start turning. Oh, never mind. Oh yeah.
No, they can make it. Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do.
So you happy or what?
Hell yeah. That's secured. Let me see if I
It
can.
always wrap. Oh, can you do like a?
It's electric windows, man.
Huh?
It's in the future, man. What are you talking about?
No, can you?
Okay, so that door is open now. We can put stuff inside. This we should keep.
In a car? Oh.
Bring a cushion. Bring a cushion from the.
No, it never does.
That's fine.
Alright, man.
All right, man. Thank you.
Have a safe trip.
Hey, man.
It's good meeting you guys.
Appreciate
Good
it.
luck.
Meeting you.
I'll
Yeah.
keep track on your YouTube.
For sure. Wave high. Wave high. Yeah.
Come on.
You want to do a double check before we bounce? Just give it a check. You never know, right? Double tap. Safety first.
Guys, if you're ever looking for parts and stuff, give us a shout, man.
Oh yeah, for sure.
We're always in contact with somebody.
I appreciate it.
All right, man.
Yeah.
All right, stay safe, guys.
You too.
All right, we'll see.
Nice meeting you.
What about the door?
I strapped this up.
Is it strapped shut?
Yeah.
Okay. See, we would have lost all. Whew. How long did that take? 30 minutes? Yeah.
Strapped it there.
Awesome. Everything's strapped down, right? Tight? Good?
Yeah.
Oh. Yes. We need to lift this.
Baby is like nothing to my truck. It's like,
Oh, it's not laboring?
no, like I don't feel it stressing at all.
Oh.
We did it, guys.
Yeah, we
We
did
got
it.
this sucker on the trailer. It actually was a lot easier than we planned last night. Last night we were like not panicking, but we were just like over preparing.
We were just making sure, you know. We bought like jack stands, wood, chocks, anything you need for
is
a crappy
sitting a little
situation.
crooked, but it's not a big deal. I'm not gonna go that far.
Like it sits crooked?
It's like slanted, very little.
Oh, on the trailer.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit to the left, but it's strapped down. So I mean, if it goes, then the whole fucking thing goes. So fuck it, you know.
We don't stop.
Yeah, we don't stop, especially not in Jersey. So yeah, we'll keep you updated.
Alright, so we're gonna be taking off the T-tops and starting to clean up the inside. Hopefully we could
We're taking this off?
Yeah. Hopefully we could have majority of it cleaned out, so tomorrow we could start disassembling parts and, you know, getting ready to touch it up. But like Calvin told you to do that earlier. You know how to open it, right?
Yeah. Wow, it's easy.
We might have to tighten them because they're a little loose.
Yeah, but like, jeez.
What's up?
You got problems. But doubt it. And then they're gonna want to sell it for dumb expensive, probably.
Oh my God!
It's a bee!
Ah!
It's a bumblebee! Don't be scared of it, just don't move!
Yeah.
Yo, chill!
Are you allergic?
No! Oh, he hit his head. He's.
He doesn't. Those don't sting. Those are carpenter bees.
Yeah, they bite probably. Guys, it's got a battery in the back storage compartment. We're gonna try and crank it and see what happens. Ready? You guys ready? We're gonna try and turn it on.
There's no engine!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Alright, so I think what GM did, I don't know if GM did it or one of the previous owners. God, that's inappropriate. But
Oh, that's what GM made it for.
So this is like a telescope to look under the car. No, I'm joking. So it looks like this is the stick shift, and they've just glued the whole boot on top here. I don't know if this is after. This is just the guy added it.
No, that's definitely. That has to be original.
It's weird.
That has to be original. Look.
Oh, these are so nice.
The window.
These are nice buttons.
Yeah.
We got our gauges. We got
This
volts.
one's a little messed up, but this one works good.
This one we could read. What the heck?
What
is
is
that?
this?
Nitrous.
Yeah. Wish. Oh, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this?
Hallelujah.
Wow, dude, that was just chilling back there. Holy crap. It's pretty.
Cool. Yeah, so looks like we need a radio. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and vacuum all this up and kind of like straighten it up. It's getting very late on us. It took us longer than expected to bring the car back, and we had to return the trailer. We stopped at Harbor Freight, the Home Depot, to grab some gear that we needed. So right now we're just gonna vacuum it up, maybe clean up a little bit inside in the engine bay. Show you guys. Oh, well, I'll show you guys the big block.
Just get through the gate.
Yeah.
Get through the steps.
Yeah. So go ahead, Calvin.
All right.
Tell them what you're doing.
Just
With your
gonna
tucked in shirt.
vacuum a few of these little bitties.
Alright, well, Calvin goes ahead and vacuums the car. So the kid we got the car from, I'm gonna tag his Instagram below, if he's okay with that, obviously. he rebuilt the frame. He sanded it down, painted it, did the brakes, did the fuel lines, the vapor lines. I think he did the suspension, and he put the body right back on after, because it was a body off frame rebuild. So right now we're gonna just be cleaning up pretty much. We are actually gonna be taking the whole front fascia off. For the people that don't know at home, the C3, yes, the Corvette, wow, the Crown Vic is still there. But if you guys could see, the C3 is all this is one piece. It's all one piece. So we actually have a crack on ours. There's a few parts that need, you know, glass repair. But right here, you guys can see, that's like the most extensive crack on our on our car. We're gonna attempt to fix it, and we're gonna make it look good. But honestly, if we can't, our only option is, you know, to find a whole front nose. Hopefully, you know, they're available. If not, we'll figure something out. The front bumper right here has some damage against the mounting points. Like you guys can see, it just moves. But that's not a big deal. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the next day, pretty much. Say hi, Camille. She's decked out. Turn around, let them show you the little G-Pack. She's decked out, ready to work on the car. We got an early start today. Last night we were running on 2 hours of sleep, so as soon as we got the car here and cleaned up a bit, we kind of just knocked out. Calvin's over there taking the dash out, the whole interior out pretty much. I'm here actually just with some fiberglass resin, fiberglass mat, and let me show you guys what I was doing. The car had a hole, and thank God most of the, sorry, that's neighbors, most of the floor is fiberglass. So if you guys could see right there, pretty much roughed up that whole patch right there, sanded it down, opened up the hole a bit bigger, and laid down the fiberglass mat, let it dry up. I might add oops, sorry, it's like the camera, we finally have some nice weather out, so it's like really sunny. It sucks for the camera, but you know, it's good for us. This is good, throw it right there. So I might add some fiberglass cloth I have right here to that patch. I just gotta see how strong it is. We did put like, Camille, how many layers we put? Like 4 or 5 layers of fiberglass? 3? No, it was more, because we put 4. We put 4. We put 4 layers of fiberglass mat down. So we'll see how that comes out. If it's strong enough, I'm not gonna add any more. That's kind of just, those are storage bins, so there's not gonna be too much weight on them. And with 4 layers of mat, I think it should be more than enough. But if it's not, I have the cloth I'm gonna add once that tacks up a bit. So I'll keep you guys updated. We're gonna try and just get the interior done in today's video.